Today we are going to talk about ClickRank, a platform designed to help you boost SEO with one-click AI optimization. Many website owners, bloggers, and small business managers struggle to improve search engine rankings because SEO can be time-consuming, technical, and constantly changing. ClickRank is built to simplify this by using AI to analyze your website and optimize it automatically for better search engine performance. In this video, I will explain what ClickRank is, its key feature, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal work on AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make digital marketing and SEO tools easier to understand and help you grow your online presence smarter using simple methods and technology. If this type of content is helpful for you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link in the description to explore ClickRank and any available lifetime offers. When you use the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use or enter any coupon code. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, ClickRank is an AI-powered SEO platform that analyzes your website and applies optimization recommendations automatically. Instead of spending hours adjusting meta tag, headings, content, or page speed, you can let ClickRank do it in just few clicks. One of the most useful features is one-click optimization. You can run the AI analysis and apply the improvements immediately. This saves time and reduces the technical complexity of SEO. Another key feature is the content and keyword analysis. ClickRank helps identify keyword, optimize page structure, and suggest changes that can improve your ranking in search engines. The platform also monitors performance. ClickRank tracks the ranking, page performance, and SEO health over time. This helps you to see the results and adjust the strategies as needed. Another useful feature is the integration with multiple platforms. You can optimize WordPress website, e-commerce stores, or custom sites without needing to install multiple plugins or make manual edits. ClickRank is especially useful for bloggers, small business owners, marketers, and website managers who want to improve SEO without spending hours to learning technical details. It simplifies optimization and gives actionable results quickly. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. ClickRank is offered as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you pay once and you get the long-term access to the platform. This is ideal for anyone who wants ongoing SEO improvements without recurring subscription fees. The first year is usually suitable for beginners. It allows the optimization for a limited number of pages, which is enough to start improving SEO for a small website. But still you can use up to 500 pages. The next year is better for growing websites. You can optimize more pages, access detailed reports, and use advanced AI recommendations. The higher tiers are usually designed for agencies or large websites. These plans offers maximum page optimization, priority support, and advanced analytics, giving you full flexibility for any SEO project. To boost your website's SEO, save time, and get AI-driven optimization instantly, ClickRank can be a smart tool to explore. You can check the lifetime deal through the description link and any available benefit that will be applied automatically without using any code. So overall, ClickRank is a beginner-friendly and powerful AI SEO platform that helps website owners, marketers, and businesses improve search engine ranking quickly, efficiently, and without technical headache. So that's it basically for today's video about ClickRank and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.